Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two stones, one in the urinary bladder and the other is in the prostatic urethra. Smaller stones are often seen in the prostatic urethra, but this is a very large stone, measuring about more than 2 centimeter. Now this is the stone in the urinary bladder and it measures about 4 centimeter exactly. The urethra runs through the center of the prostate from the bladder to the penis, letting the urine flow out of the body. The prostate secretes fluid that nourishes and protects sperms. During ejaculation, the prostate squeezes this fluid into the urethra and is expelled with sperms as semen. Now you can see the large vesicle stone measuring about 4 centimeter, 40 millimeter. The prostatic urethra is the portion of the urethra that traverses the prostate. It originates in the region of bladder neck, courses roughly 2.5 centimeter inferiorly, and terminates at the membranous urethra. Urethral calculi are preponderantly found in the prostatic urethra, just proximal to the narrow membranous portion. These are either formed in the prostatic urethra or might migrated from the upper urinary tract. Now you can see the other stone also. This stone is seen partially in the urinary bladder and partially in the prostatic urethra. The patient has urinary retention and the Foley's catheter was tried but failed due to the obstruction caused by this large stone. The stones in the prostatic urethra are usually small, but numerous cases of giant stones have been reported. Primary urethral calculus is a rare form of urolithiasis and often associated with urethral diverticulum stricture or previous surgery. Secondary, that is migrating calculi, often originates from the kidney or bladder and were reported to be at least 10 times more common in the occurrence than the primary stones. Now you can see the stone in the prostatic urethra. The stone in the urinary bladder measures about 4 centimeter, while the stone in the prostatic urethra measures about more than 2 centimeter, roughly 23 millimeter. Now the urethral calculus are dominantly found in prostatic urethra just proximal to the narrow membranous portion. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.